First, pick up this plaque. Take it apart lightly. Pry it open. Finish prying. Don't force it. And then pry the other side. Continue to dismantle here. Lift it up after prying both sides loose. Pick up this wireless charger. Pry it loose all around and lift it up. Pull out the plug. Our out-trending ambient lights. It is divided into left and right sides. Install the one on the right first. Align it with the position. The original car's holes here, and then buckle it on. Each position is buckled in place. The harness goes down here. Just put it here. Fix this wiring harness. Now put these two ambient lights. The harness goes under this one. And the tool that you use is to thread. Go through the bottom first. Find it. And bring it out. After pulling it out, connect it. Tie up a little. Pull it to the bottom of our screen. Let's take a look. The fuse is the power cord plug. It is okay to transfer the power cord at the position of wireless charging. After the transfer, it is the power supply. It came off the meter. The ambient light wire harness to our control box. The first LED one. Plug it in. Plug the power cord into it too. The largest plug. And this brown one is our conline signal plug. Hang on. Because our air outlet ambient light has a music rhythm function, so it needs to read an original. The original car's speaker music signal. Our signal is from the big speaker in the front door. So now we will remove this. To remove it for wiring, remove the 3 screws on the door. Remove the original speaker cover, and unplug all the plugs on the speaker. Then remove the door. Unplug the plugs on the door. After unplugging the emergency pull cord, then you can remove the door. This is the signal plug for the rhythm of the music. Directly connect to the original car speaker plug. Just plug it in and it's done. The signal line has been transferred. Plug this cable from the door to the car. Remove this speaker first. There are 4 screws. The screws are removed. Then gently press the speaker like this. And take it out. Then pry open the lower end of the conduit connected to the door. Then, pull the just connected wire bundle from out of the back of the speaker to the lower end of the conduit. After the wires are all out, restore the speaker. Fix the wire bundle here with tape to prevent abnormal noise. Next step, remove the sill trim and triangle trim. Let's take this apart. Remove the horn. Remove the button here. Pull it out. Then remove the sill trim panel. Next step, for this wire harness, follow the original car's wire harness conduit. Pry open the upper end of the conduit. Pass the wire bundle that just came out of the lower end. Pass the wire through the conduit with a threading wire, and insert it into the car from the upper end. Then restore the ends of the door conduit. Now we will plug this signal plug. Directly plug it into the empty socket of the car. The music rhythm line that has been passed through, and the control box with the small circuit board directly. This is the signal. It's a signal plug for the ambient light. It's connected to the signal plug of our car. Okay, once plugged in, the ambient light has turned on immediately. Start recovery. Be careful with this wire bundle when restoring. To avoid blocking the sliding of the lower trim panel, stroke it, straighten it out, and then clip it on. Before tightening, to try this board, if the pull and push wire harness blocks it, no, it doesn't, then we'll push it tight. It's okay. The control box is placed under the glove box. Inside this decorative panel, stroke this harness. Put the control box here. Fasten the control box to this trim here. Tear 3 meters glue. Okay, place the wire bundle. Align the card position. Next, follow the method of disassembly just now. To restore the door panel and a pillar speaker, the last step is to restore the threshold trim and triangle trim. Installation is completed. The color of the ambient light can follow the original car, or adjust it yourself.